This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this helpful tips and tricks video, let's learn how to insert the current date and time. We can insert the date and time in a static way or dynamic way. I will show you in both the ways. Suppose if you want to insert the current date in a static way, we can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus semicolon. Just simultaneously press Ctrl plus semicolon. You will get the current date. That is the system date. If you go and check your date here, we'll get this static date. This will be static and it will not change if you open this file tomorrow. Let's see how to insert the dynamic date. Let's go to another example. If you want to make the current date dynamic, that is every day when you open, the date has to change, we can use a formula equals today, open bracket, close bracket. There are no parameters for this. Press enter, you can see you will get the current date. Suppose now if you open the date tomorrow or any day, you will get the current date. Let's see how to insert the static current time. We can use the shortcut key Control plus Shift plus semicolon. Select the cell where you want to insert the current time. Hold Control Shift semicolon. We get the current time. This is static. Suppose if you think that we want to make a dynamic current time, let's go to this example. Here we'll write the formula equals now open bracket close bracket. This also will not have any parameter. Just press enter. We'll get the current time. This is just a format. If you want, you can go here, change the format, Control 1. We can just say H for hour, M for minutes. If you want this to be in the format of AM and PM, just give this AM/PM, say OK. Now we'll get the right format. So this is how you can insert a static current date and time and dynamic current date and time. If you think there are more other options to insert the current date and time, please do mention in our comment box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a like, and if you think that this video is useful, then please do share it. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Keep watching our channel for more informative, innovative, interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.